At Electric Circuit C, number 5. And in number 5, it says find the current in resistor R1. So it wants the current in this resistor. If R1 is equal to 75 ohms, R2 is equal to 25 ohms, and R3 is going to be 50 ohms. So what we need to look at in this problem is to decide what resistance is experienced by the current going from one side of the power supply all the way over to the other. So the first thing, find your equivalent resistance. And by the way, it does say that your potential difference across the power supply is going to be 6 volts. So in finding the equivalent resistance for a series circuit, since the current must pass through every resistor in this circuit, it goes through R3, then R2, then R1. It's just going to be R1 plus R2 plus R3 because it is a series circuit. So our equivalent resistance in this case is going to be equal to 75 plus 25 plus 50 ohms. So equivalent resistance equals 150 ohms. Now to find that, to find what the current's going to be, we use Ohm's law. So using V equals IR and solving for the current, we get I equals V over R. So in this case, the current is going to be equal to that at the power supply, 6.0 volts divided by our equivalent resistance, which is 150 ohms, which is equal to 0.040 amps. So total potential difference divided by total resistance in the series circuit gives you the current for the circuit.